Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 trigger isn't working, you may find it difficult to operate your vacuum cleaner effectively. This issue can arise from wear and tear or a malfunctioning component within the trigger mechanism. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage or a complete breakdown of your device, making your cleaning tasks much more challenging. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson V11, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring your Dyson V11 is powered off and unplugged, as safety is paramount. Next, locate the screws that secure the handle casing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the handle casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any delicate components inside. When you have the casing open, you'll want to identify the faulty trigger mechanism. It is typically located towards the bottom of the handle assembly. Inspect it closely to confirm that it is indeed the component that needs replacing. To extract the old trigger, carefully disconnect any attached wires or clips using your tweezers. Take your time here, as rushing may result in damaging surrounding parts. Once the old trigger is free, take your new compatible trigger and position it in place. Ensure it fits snugly and reattach any wires or clips you disconnected earlier. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the new trigger securely in place, it's time to reassemble the handle. Carefully align the casing and replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, which could lead to further complications. Once everything is back together, plug in your Dyson V11 and test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. If the trigger feels smooth and responsive, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To help prevent the trigger from malfunctioning in the future, ensure you regularly clean your vacuum to remove any debris that may impede its function. Avoid forcing the trigger when it feels stuck, as this can lead to further damage. Regular maintenance and gentle usage will prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.